Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So another really good page. I'm on the roll. So this week, today has been a really good day, as you'll see from a few videos that I've uploaded today. I have had really good consistent results from today, and the results show that the learn method absolutely does work. It is geometric and observational methods along with good speed, creating a feedback loop. This is just notes from the feedback loop to basically, it was my analysis of where I went wrong, where I went right, what I did improve, what I liked, what minor changes I would do, and this is how I am improving and getting really good skills when it comes to sketching very quickly. So please let me know what you think, and also if you have applied this, and also if you'd like more information on it. Thanks guys.